Okay, so I've just parked my car up, so I'm going to have a look towards this building. I haven't been here before, Hetton Lyons Country Park, so I'm just going to have a little look around here. Thought we might have toilets or something in here. Yeah, so you've got the lake on the left hand side. Right, so here we've got the Stevenson Trail. I'll do like a closer look. That's the main lake. So after Hetton Colliery was closed in 1950, the land was set aside for the development of the country park where we stand today. So reclamation began in 1986. I'll just do a little walk around here first. I'll zoom in. So up here you've got the former pit wheel right next to the park. As I said, this was once the colliery. So I'll pan the camera around, have a little walk down here. Okay, so we make our way down here towards the big lake. There's a smaller one just at the other side somewhere. So we're going to have a little walk to the right hand side. Well, the ducks don't seem to be bothered about this rain. Used to the water. Mr. Stephen Fortune in front. Steve Fortune, big ginger in the woods. Have a look at his channel. It's a camping channel. He also goes for walks as well, hiking. So have a look at his channel. Good banter.
You blast.
Okay, so here we've got a Ray Lonsdale sculpture. Ray Lonsdale's train. Obviously this is a colliery, so all them years ago would have had their own railway. Going past here, South Hetton. I don't know exactly where the lines went, but there's a little look. Good afternoon. Today I'm at Hetton Lyons Country Park, witnessing the planting of a sapling of a Sycamore Gap tree. So this site once used to be a colliery. It was also the world's first complete railway, designed by George Stephenson.
Yeah, that's a good. Yeah, and we can roll the rest in shortly.
However, we wanted to make it extra special. Not long ago, one of our clients died, Ike Curran, and he lived in Scotland. And we wanted his daughter to say today, Rachel, and we've got a plaque, so we're going to dedicate this tree to Ike. So, Carl, can you give Rachel the plaque? And Rachel, do you want to come and place it? This is a surprise to Rachel, by the way. She didn't know anything about it, so.
Oh yeah, I did see it.